Hello, welcome. This is the Hisabati Masterclass, and today we are going to discuss a very important topic, integration, and our subtopic for today's discussion is called substitution method. Substitution method. So, as we said before in our previous videos, that when you want to integrate a certain function, you need to understand your integrand. So integrand will tell you what kind of method you're going to use. Now, suppose you have this kind of integrand, the ax plus or minus b power n dx. So from our previous discussion, I'm going to write here at the right top corner, we saw the first important formula for integrating any function power n or variable power n. We said if you integrate x power n dx, your answer will be x n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c, whereby c is not equal to, okay, the value of n, not c. The value of n is not negative 1. So we saw this one. Now, if you try to observe the nature of the integrand we have, the terms are combined under the same exponent. So we can't use this method direct because the integrand of our general formula is different from the integrand of the given equation. But we say that what you're going to do, you have to change the given function so that it looks like what we have in our question. Now, there are several methods of changing. So it's you, the one who is supposed to decide which method to use. Now, if you have this kind of function, this is where now we can use substitution method. Substitution means you are going to change. Substitution means, okay, let me write here. Means you're going to change the function to another variable, so that it's easy for you to integrate. This is the only reason we do substitution. So we are going to change the nature of the function so that it's easy for us to integrate. So you are going to use another letter different from the one given in the question. Now I will go direct to the question. And this method, actually, we discussed it even in the topic of differentiation, where we had to use a chain rule and cases like that. So I will start with this one. So integral of 2x plus 3 power 3 dx. So because 2x plus 3, these two terms are combined under the same exponent 3, I can't use the direct method of integration. So I have to find a way to separate them, or to use substitution method. So we have two ways here. You can expand. Expanding means you separate each term, and once you have each term standing alone, you can use our integration method. Or you can use substitution direct. You can say let maybe u equals to 2x plus 3. So we have changed our integrand from variable x, which is 2x plus 3, to variable u. Now, you are not going to stop there. Make sure you change even the small increment dx, because we need du there. For you to be able to integrate your function integrand, the small increment, it has to be the same as your variable in the integrand. So to get dx, we are going to differentiate. We find du dx. Du dx gives you 2. So you can make dx the subject. So dx will be du divided by 2. So now we are going to rewrite our function as in terms of letter u. So we'll say this is the same as integral of u power 3. That one remains. In place of dx, we are going to put du divided by 2. Now properties, they allow us to take out a half So we integrate u power 3 du. Now you see, we have moved from variable x up to variable u, and if you try to observe here, we can use direct integration method. You can integrate direct. You can say this is u, 3 plus 1, which is 4, 3 plus 1, which is 4, plus c. Then you can now return your variable. So say this is 1 over 8. The value of u is 2x plus 3. So this is 8 power 4 plus c. And this is our integral. This is our integral of 2x plus 3. And this is how you are supposed to do. Now, this is called substitution because you have changed your function from variable x to variable u. Thank you very much. This is a Sabat Masterclass. If it's your first time, please remember to subscribe, to share, to comment, and like our videos so that you receive the video once they are uploaded. Thank you, your teacher, Mr. Kamima.